Right now I'm in Ben & Jerry's in Vermont, and I'm about to do the factory tour experience. This is the only Ben & Jerry's factory that is open to the public. It's also the very first Ben & Jerry's factory, built in 1985. It continues to manufacture 350,000 pints per day. Let's go and move on in. First stop, how tall are you? In ice cream measurements, that is. I think we should be measured this way at the doctor's office. And then there's this hallway. In the hallway, there's the top 10 flavors in the United States. It has a whole bunch of different flavors. Type in the comments what your favorite flavor is. And the number 1 flavor in the United States is half-baked. The tour started with a movie about the history of the company. It was an awesome movie. Next stop, production floor. But there's no video allowed here. It was fun seeing how the yummy ice cream was made. And then you get to go and look at all the brand new flavors that are going to be coming out soon. Cool, right? Also, at the end, everyone gets a free sample. The day I was there, it was strawberry cheesecake. Some things I've learned on the Ben & Jerry's tour is that Ben & Jerry met in 7th grade. Later in life, they took a correspondence class on how to make ice cream for $5. They opened up a gas station, and the gas station was their very first ice cream place. And it didn't just sell ice cream, it sold soup. Ben, one of the co-founders, had no sense of taste. The reason they have chunks in their ice cream is because he liked the texture. Cool, right? And now we walk into the Ben & Jerry's flavor graveyard, where we can find all the flavors that have successfully retired. Ben & Jerry's honors each and every one of its departed flavors with a tombstone. Every tombstone has the start date, the end date, and some information. Some of them even have a QR code so you can figure out the entire story. Type in the comments and tell me which flavor you'd want to have resurrected. This place was an awesome stop. Having a gift shop, a picnic area, a play area, a playground, a scoop shop. It was just amazing. I'd give this place 2 thumbs up. Yay! Just remember to smash that thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's a wrap for Travel Kid in Waterbury, Vermont at the Ben & Jerry's factory.